From schools to streets to public health, our communities struggle to pay for everything they want for their families. A new partnership with WRAL Digital and Capital B Creative Studios can help. It offers our towns a share of federal COVID recovery funds. And joining us now to tell us all about this partnership is James Amato, Director of Strategy and Business Development for Capital B Creative Studios. James, great to see you. Great to have you in studio.
Great to see you, Ken.
First, tell us, how did this partnership, CBC Invests, got started?
So we've been at the economic development, workforce development, and tourism marketing initiatives for 6-7 years now. And what we've noticed through the pandemic is that, with American Rescue Plan funds and other grants programs, communities are sometimes left questioning the best use of those funds. So what we've attempted to do through this program is develop a initiative that allows them to work very closely with us on marketing and communication strategies to help them stimulate those local economies.
So for town leaders interested in capitalizing on these funds, what are some of the criteria?
Well, the criteria is simply to apply. And so we welcome everybody to apply at this point. There are some investment thresholds. Now, those investment thresholds are more akin to where we see campaign efficacy than they are anything else. So right now, I think we're bullish about campaign investments in with a floor of $50,000 and on up. That floor has been set because that's where we start to see efficacy in the campaigns that we're pursuing, and we want to win the game.
So give us some examples of the partnership and how towns are using these funds.
We have a beautiful campaign. Our first investment will be made this month. And it is with a town who's interested in working on their brand. So they get to work with a tremendous company, a team with decades of experience in branding big global brands, to develop a brand and a story that resonates with people who might want to work, live, or play in that community.
James, I'm so glad you said that, because when you talk about a brand, the one community that comes to mind for me is Apex, the peak of good living. So that's what we're talking about here.
It's exactly what we're talking about. And great brands like Apex resonate. They bring people in. They're welcoming brands that resonate with people. Give you the idea that this is a place I can come, I can visit, perhaps eventually move to, work in, spend money in. And so what we want to do is just continue to help communities embrace smart marketing, data insights, and our passion for inspiring change.
Yeah. For families dealing with inflation, having to not worry about paying extra taxes, remind our audience how important this program is that could really make a difference.
Well, I think the neatest thing about this is that this is a co-investment. This is not a grants program. We will be selective, and we want to work with organizations that have certainly the financial resources, but also the human capital to take this to the next level. Why this is important for residential populations and folks served by community organizations is that they can rest assured if they support an organization or live in a community that works with us, they're going to receive world-class service, and we're thinking about them every step of the way.
Really quickly, where can people get more information?
capitalbcreativestudios.com/cbc-invest, or hopefully on WRAL.com later today.
Absolutely. James, we appreciate your time.
Thank you, Ken.
Thanks.